Well, I think it's a really exciting concept because I think it would be helpful in all forms of cricket, from 5-day, 4-day through to the shorter end of 2020 and one-day cricket. And I think it's great. If you're watching cricket on the television, you automatically want to have a look at the action replay. Sometimes you miss it when you're actually at the ground, but the ability to be able to go and see what has happened, which you can do maybe if you're in a corporate box and there's a television in there, or if you're in the bar and there's a television there, or the restaurant or whatever, isn't available to everybody sitting in their seats. And I think that's terrific to be able to do that, or to be able to go back through all the wickets again would be really good when you've arrived late. Or indeed just to look, a lot of people are very, very keen on stats and are very interested in that. To have that at your fingertips, I think, is really very exciting. So I'm really very impressed with it.
The key thing about Visualise is it allows the spectator to see the content on standard equipment, their own PDA, their own mobile phone. In essence, what we do is we have techniques that allow us to deliver and display very high quality video information, despite the fact that some of that might have been lost during transmission. It's all about not having a producer or edited content solely in the loop. It's not about pushing the content to the viewer, it's about the user pulling the content that he or she actually wants to see.
Try and get the cricket scores on the radio is very difficult. They do give them out over the loudspeaker some places at lunchtime and tea time. If you had instant access to what was going on at the Rose Bowl or Taunton or whatever, I would think a lot of people would be interested in that.
Personally, yeah. I mean, it would be good to find statistics out about players and information on, I suppose, cricket, things like bowling speeds, run rates for batsmen, things like that. Yeah, that's the sort of thing that I think would be good to be introduced. I mean, I'm a big cricket fan, and if I could get that sort of service through my phone, then yeah, it's definitely something I would look into, yeah.
Yeah, I'm all for it. I just think it adds value, and I think the more you can do to make the whole experience of being at cricket enjoyable, the better, really. And I think there's nothing beats watching live sport, but if you've got access to some of the smart bits as well, then it makes it even better.